a sweet scent of flowers in any shape or color imaginable. Lush green everywhere your eyes wander. The fresh evening breeze caressing your skin. An orchestra of jungle beauty, a 5-star menu to the ears. Rivers, waterfalls, and timeless sunny days. Vision of the Heart Retreat Center welcomes you to stay with us at our jungle paradise. We offer yoga, meditation, breathwork, ice bath, cacao ceremonies, and more. Our on-site healers and teachers will guide you and hold space for you in this personal process.